than 3 minutes in. So the line bell, PDO shot, they score! Sweet Connolly mayhem! It's a sky full of stuffies! It's the Teddy Bear Toss magic in Hershey!
I don't think it was touched. I think it's Louis Belpedio, right, Zach? It's hard to see if there's a touch in front there, but I think that one goes to Louis. So release the Bears. It's an unbelievable sight here, just watching all these things fly to the ice.
A wrist shot from the right point finds its way through the wickets of Brossois, and the best scene in all of sports. The madness of the Teddy Bear Toss, plush pandemonium, bears of all shapes and sizes, and the Hershey Bears, the kings of the Teddy Bear Toss, over 100,000 last year, in the ice quickly littered by all sorts of stuffies. It comes early, it's just what the Bears asked for, and it is madness here at Giant Center, and all for a great cause. Over 60 local organizations benefit as part of the Hershey Bears Cares program, and it didn't take long at all. Put the puck in the net, and good things happen.
Go in. Get in there. Do it, 6 legs, heavy.
Ticket holder Gabby Kirshner, her family, and the Gabby Middle School. Collected items all year long. Over the past 12 years, they've collected over 138,000 of the stuffed animals. Thank you for all that you do. County Food Hub, Elizabethtown Fire Department, and so many more great organizations. As you the Hershey Bears are the kings of the Teddy Bears.
A wrist shot from the right point finds its way through the wickets of Brossois, and the best scene in all of sports. The madness of the Teddy Bear Toss, plush pandemonium, bears of all shapes and sizes, and the Hershey Bears, the kings of the Teddy Bear Toss, over 100,000 last year, in the ice quickly littered by all sorts of stuffies. It comes early, it's just what the Bears asked for, and it is madness here at Giant Center, and all for a great cause. Over 60 local. It's the Teddy Bear Toss magic in Hershey.
I don't think it was touched. I think it's Louis Belpedio, right, Zach? It's hard to see if there's a touch in front there, but I think that one goes to Louis. So release the Bears. It's an unbelievable sight here, just watching all these things fly to the ice.
A wrist shot from the right point finds its way through the wickets of Brossois, and the best scene in all of sports. The madness of the Teddy Bear Toss, plush pandemonium, bears of all shapes and sizes, and the Hershey Bears, the kings of the Teddy Bear Toss, over 100,000 last year, in the ice quickly littered by all sorts of stuffies. It comes early, it's just what the Bears asked for, and it is madness here at Giant Center, and all for a great cause. Not a lot of tears except for you when you win a championship. They are guys that lay their whole bodies on the line, and warriors out there, but they get to become a kid again today, and the Bears are literally being buried in the Teddy Bears right now.
You look at Big Pro and Bogdan Cherniev there, Zach, over on the far side, and you know, they disappear into the piles of Teddy Bears.